ードを答えて豪華商品を当てよう。
He's Dove.
Hi.
He's Griff. He's Bump.
He's Guitar.
And he's Keon.
And you're watching Sound Clash.
Oedden ni gyd yn ffrindiau drwy grwpiau eraill a pawb yn gyfarwydd efo doniau cerddorol I gilydd. Nath Dafydd a Guto Bymff ddechrau gosod stiwdio I fyny yn Nghaerdydd a gan bod Cian yn frawd I Dafydd nath o ddechrau yn draw fyna I jamio hefyd. Nathon ni ddechrau neud demos bethau am hwyl.
There's a lot of things I like about this next group. I like the cut of their jib. I like the fact that they can speak Welsh, which is the language of poets. I also like the fact they've got pictures of Howard Marks over their record. In fact, I like a lot about them. But please, ladies and gentlemen, have a look for yourself at the Super Furry Animals.
Sydyn ti'n ffindio dyn y trydydd gig o flaen y wasg yn beth yn Llundain sy'n dylanwadol. Peth nes ati fel reviews anygol. Dyn erbyn yr wrsos ar ôl hynny, oedd yna rhywun yn cynnig cytundeb recordio rhyngwladol yn eithaf. Nes i'n meddwl, pam ddim? Creation ym Mrydain a swmni dros y byd. Eich album, efo swmni. Yn y deal bod ni'n cael recordio yn Gymraeg. A da ni eisiau defnyddio'r Saesneg a unrhyw iaith arall jyst I fynd rownd y byd, lle. A yn sgil hynna fydden nhw'n mynd â cynion Cymraeg hefyd.
With music from the young band rivaling Blur, they're best mates, and they didn't want me to say that, but I said it anyway. Their new single, here it is, Something for the Weekend. Would you please welcome Super Furry Animals?
Yn y cnapan y pethau, nathon ni'n canu yn Saesneg I ddod y sylw at hynny o gwbl. A'r wasg nath neidio ar hynny. A standi'n sylw yna. A twyd, yr unig beth oedd yn neud oedd rhoi llwyth o sylw yna. A pan ti'n gwylltio bobl gynt yna, ti'n dechrau meddwl bod chdi'n neud beth yn iawn. Dwi'n dall, yn iawn pan mae'r reol iaith yn yr Steddfod, achos does am llawer o lefydd lle mae'r Cymraeg yn cael ei gwarchod. Yn yr Steddfod, o'na 10 camera dan y trwyno ni yn disgwyl I ni ddeud gair Saesneg ar y maes. Felly wnaethon ni chwibiannu yr cynion Saesneg I gyd. Oedden ni ddim eisiau rhaid newyddion sensational I BBC Cymru. Da ni'n cael dylanwadu gan fel Iolo Morgannwg nath sefydlu'r Steddfod yn y lle cynta. Nath o ail-ddyfeisio diwylliant Cymru. A mae Gwynalf Williams bobl yn dweud yn When Was Wales, if you want Wales, you have to make Wales. Hynny di, yn y pen draw, da ni'n teithio'r byd, lle, dwi'n cymryd. Achos, os fydd yr record yn cael ei ryddhau dros y byd, dwi'n bydd rhaid I fynd I bob tiriogaeth I deithio. Mi da ni'n uchelgeisiol iawn, a ti'n meddwl, wel, rhyngtha ni oedd yn wneud siwr 6 neu 7 LP Gymraeg, ti'n meddwl, be am dren mewn iaith arall, a gweld be ddigwyddith. Os mae Cymraeg di iaith gyntaf di, ti'n methu switcho fo off, a ti'n methu stopio sgwyn y Gymraeg. A da ni'n gwneud penderfyniad I ddefnyddio'r iaith Saesneg, yn ytrach na penderfyniad I beidio defnyddio'r Gymraeg, dwi'n meddwl.
Out of focus, ideology.
CIA, are you ready? Back on their Celtic culture. Put your hands together for, wait for it, the super fairy animals.
Greetings.
Da ni di arwyddo cytundeb gyfalafol sy'n golygu bod ni'n gorfod gwerthu recordio sy'n golygu teithio lot a chwarae lot o bobl sy'n fath da ni gyd eisiau bod wedi wneud ys blynyddoedd.
Are you ready? Let me hear you say, yo! Come on, yo! Back from their tour, back to their roots. The Celtic Merlins that going on into the future. The super furry animals. Move on the body.
So now I'll keep on my toes till I see a one-man show. Show me magic, show me magic, show me magic, show me magic. I wanna be right, I know what the paper doesn't show, what the TV doesn't say.
Gwlad yr iad sy'n mwyn gartrefol iawn, sy'n bod o'n hyd yn oed oerach na fama. Hwyl garw am 4 diwrnod.
Although there's been this, like glasnost effect, you know, and Welsh language scene, you know.
Right,
Where people
okay,
have gone,
yeah.
all right, our viewpoint is the language is safe, yeah? Well, it's always a battle, yeah, but we're doing this out of a position of strength, because we think the Welsh language is so fucking strong. Yeah. It can handle us going around the world singing English and Welsh, you know.
The north of Iceland, yeah. Lle mae hard ar wy'n rhywbeth. So mae gyd wedi dystod I fyny, ti'n meddwl?
Nath y trefnwr yn I fyny'r parc cenedlaethol. Mewn i'r atrwm. Minus o fath gwirion 30 neu fath. Athyn ni addi ar y lôn. Athyn ni fan o. Dros y lliwch. Trwy'r eira. Dwi'n sôn, dyn ni ganol o. Mewn twllwch llwyr. A dwi'n lliwchio yn erbyn mynydd yn gwlad yr ia. Efo 3 can o gwrw a packet o fiscuits rhwntha ni.
well, our main priority is to make fantastic albums, you know.
Right.
We're in a band because we're obsessed with music.
Yeah. But is pop music, do you think pop music's important?
What?
Do you think pop music's important in the
Yeah,
world?
well, I'm obsessed with it, you know. But deny, I can't deny it. I love melody and I love sugary melodies and
Really, yeah.
that make you feel happy, you know. It can affect you like foods, you know.
Yeah.
You know, if paracetamol doesn't work, you can try out a tune. Mamas and Papas song, Glad to Be and Happy. Yeah. It's like the sweetest song ever. It's going, I'm so glad to be and happy, you know. And they're going, yeah, it's sad.
Bydd o'n i gyd troi fewn i green fields after then for a million years. Yeah.
Os ti'n mwyn gytrefol, wrth mynd i Cynarfon yr la. Cynarfon mawr, un o'r llefydd cnesa o ran temperament eithon ni llynydd.
Singer, guitar, bass.
Nawr da Brian.
Awar da Steffo.
Nawr da Steffo.
Okay.
That sounds steady. Gengur Apex?
Má sjá eitt uppátt.
Apex
Þú frekar loftið það.
Þetta er úti.
Counting down. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, this song is called
If you don't want me to destroy you, take a leaf out of my book, turn it round and I'm in love.
Eitt uppátt. Þú frekar loftið það.
You to destroy me, I'll commit myself to be in and out of every tree. Gravity, you just down so quietly. You just down to earth. Let me go into the depths of my infinity. I can sense your presence in the vicinity. La la la, la la la, sha la 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 la. La la la, la la la, sha la 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 la. La la la, la la la, sha la 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 la.
Nos Mercher, Iceland, cold.
What's up?
Gian yma. Ac
McDonald's.
Yeah, Mac. Do you remember McDonald's?
More right, you're a Mac.
Shock. Seriously, Dan.
Seriously. So that was like in Germany then?
Oh, yeah.
No. I don't
Ond, ti'n gen i be'n iawn, achos mae trafeilio i Germany. Cysgu ar y bus, ie. A wedyn, cyrra Germany, and you'll be alright.
No, os dwi'n mynd i Hamburg, a dyna ni'n mynd trwy Holland.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So, what, you guys, you're the small furry animals, right? Where part of England are you from? Are you from England?
No,
Are you
from
Scottish?
Wales.
Oh, I had a Welsh boyfriend from Northern England, he was from Anglesey. So anyways, I'm Dot, and if you guys want a massage, you know, just tell me, I'll be hanging around up front, okay?
Cool.
Yeah, we played Hamburg this end. And what kind of response did you get so far?
It's been really warm, you know, because we didn't know what to expect at all. People are clapping and listening.
Sort of a place as Wales for a band like you, like for an up-and-coming band?
It's difficult, eh? Wales is quite divided, you know, linguistically and geographically. Tonight you'll hear the Welsh language and the English language, so, you know. And the Gokis do that as well. And which, I mean, we live in a bilingual society, basically, so it's a natural thing to do. These are leads.
These are leads.
These are leads. Like these are leads.
These are leads. Heist. Heist means...
These are leads. Height.
Yeah, let me say the name.
Oedd cynulleidfa, oedd nhw yn mwynhau ni. Mae'n hoff iawn o gael grwpiau Cymraeg yn nhw. A maen nhw di ail ddarganfod i Cymreigdod math o beth yn ddiweddar. So nhw'n helpu ni allan a edrych ar hola ni.
Mae diw'n am y cynnwys ffigurs Grish ni o, dim LRD, dwi'n mynd i'r balansio. Mae'r ffigurau gwahanol wledydd di export copies y Grish yn diwerthu. Dim y copies yma o fersiynau Sony sydd o berthu. Mae Japan fan'na, mae'n dod o'r cant o hanner, ond dwi'n gwybod bod o'n 15,000 neu efo Japan. So dwi'n balansio yn beth. It's good to see Japan there.
Screaming on stage. He came on stage and was going, number 9, number 9.
Of course, but I didn't realize that it was him. It's amazing. So you were friends? Or?
Yeah, well, we wrote a song about him, and he came to see us. And we hit off quite well, you know. Which is quite weird, you know, because we were a bit in awe of the guy, you know. So we've been staying with him in Mallorca and everything.
That's cool.
So
how did the normal British audience react if one starts singing Welsh, because...
Well, in the past there's been quite a lot of xenophobia towards bands singing in any different language, you know. I think English is far too much monopoly on music, and you know, it's a ticking bomb.
So. Oh, yeah. Is it cool? Hello.
It's a radio show. Is it Sony's fixed it up, or is it Sony fixed it up? We're just going to have to do it. That's actually better than I thought. I mean, because I could probably get in. Because they're not loading in until 4:30 tomorrow afternoon.
Right.
So, I mean, the gig's not open. It's 4:30 loading for them.
We should have blew out the fucking radio. That's what we should have done.
Yeah.
Sorry. Vocal. Tea towel. Does he chwarae dy nain? Tea towel. Utensils, kitchen, sink. Bananas, bresych, bresych. Bresych, bresych.
Let's run through a 5-song set, start to finish, with a minute break in between each song, okay?
A set of 5 songs, because in fact we only have 8 minutes. I'm sorry, but we are working here now for 3 hours. And then we still have 8 minutes of recording time.
Yeah, because we've got, you know, we've got different amps to try out.
Michael, do you remind me at the time?
Achos mae'n disorientating. Go on. I'm
sorry for going about it, but we really are running out of time. I've got a crazed Dutch producer up here with a knife at my throat.
Just a knife. In 11 minutes, something else.
Dennis Bergkamp yn sgorio'r gol. Wedi Saernïon Gampus. A dyna'r 6edd gol ar y maes yma. Mae Bergkamp i sgorio ar ei seldiroedd. Union sgorio'r dryden. A mi ath o trwy'r amddiffyn fel cyllaf trwy fenyw.
Ffingol, da ni lygu drach. Beth fi'n gwneud rwan?
A mae Dean Saunders di sgorio. Gol wedi chreu gan John Hartson.
Built my agony. You and me are I believe.
Dim gobaith o gwbl i Southall. A dyna ni, y chwiban ola. Chwaer i Gymru. Chwaer go iawn. Iseldiroedd 7 Cymru.
No, you're obviously very tired, but can you just tell me where you've been recently?
We were in Amsterdam last night, playing with the Manic Street Preachers.
So tell me about your morning.
I woke up in Calais, went on the boat, fell asleep in the van. I tried to got a taxi to a hotel, crash, and
What happened with
so
the crash
I came
though?
here. A taxi came into the back of a taxi. It sort of woke me up in a way, you know, 'cause it was a bit dulcet today.
It's number one, yeah?
So looking ahead to tonight, and you've got you're playing with Fun-Loving Criminals and Manson. What do you think of the lineup?
Oh, it's fantastic.
Soho Live, the Urban Festival, 97 to 99 FM, Radio 1.
We'll put you on about at 9:25, and you're saying this is about 35 minutes. Do you think it's any longer?
No idea.
No.
I don't.
Well,
It's only a matter of a minute.
We'll play it fast and we'll have short gaps.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
won't have so many gaps.
Yeah, we'll fill the gaps as well, because obviously they're dead on radio. I'll go like that. And then do another one. But if you don't see me, or you don't see me going like that, then just do your set, come off, and then go and do your encore. But if we get to kind of, you know, this point, and it's looking like decidedly under.
Do we definitely have to? Okay.
You don't have to.
Yes, and our headlining band tonight, will you please welcome the magical Super Furry Animals!
Subsequently
you going back on?
No, we're not going back on.
Okay.
Right, okay.
No, they're not.
Oedd yn gynnerfus iawn, t'wo. Jyst bod o fel mynd i America yn y 40au, 50au, so bod o y lle sy'n symud mlaen gyflyma yn y bryd ar y funud ar y moderniaeth. Ti sy'n gweld rhywle sy'n yn bell ar y blaen, dechnolegol. Mae'n gynnerfus iawn i weld. Mae fel bod yn blentyn, ti jyst yn gweld pethau newydd bob dydd am y tro gyntaf. Da ni'n cael lot o lythyrau gan bobl o Japan. A maen nhw'n gymharu a bobl yng Nghymru yn ariannog iawn, maen prynu mwy o recordia. Mae siop recordia nhw'n rhai gorau yn y byd, achos ti'n gallu prynu unrhyw record gan unrhyw un erioed. Ti'n cael lot yn nhw'n dod draw i gigs yn Lloegr yn beth yna gyd.
Helo, bechdan oed, bechdan am, bechdan gaws, bla bla, pickle. Helo, sy'n bethau. Spinal Tap.
I'd just like to take this moment and I'd like everyone to welcome Dav to the sound check. Go Dav.
Thank you. はい、近いとお待ち待ったお待ち左側お進みください。どうぞ。Got a beer? No. Come on.
I've got a CD on, but you put anything on you want. CD on is now.
Time to show stuff.
Yeah, I have an intro.
Yeah, intro CD, yeah.
Are you?
What's your box?
Dwi'n gweithio, da ni'n edrych. Right.
Brilliant.
that was the worst gig ever.
Yeah, I think Bitha.
Fucking terrible. Sorry, that on the guitar player here, that totally up to sync. Completely considerably. I just felt I just should have done that little fucking 3 or more rope. I just felt I was embarrassed. I was so on stage.
We're fabulous.
Oh dear. What's the wish? Yechida. Yechida? Yechida?
The other way to deal with that is put the same bit of fucking paint in the south.
Mae'n bobl polite iawn. Mae'n diwylliant gwannol. Os ydych chi'n gweld yn cael yn mobio yn Japan, dwi'n meddwl bod yn golygu cweith rhywun peth a fysa cael fobio yng Nghymru. Yn bersonol, dwi wrth y modd cael prifydau newydd trwy'r amser a golygu trio bethau dwi wedi trio blaen. Felly ti'n cael fatha lump sgwar o jelly llwyd sy'n dych oedd yn cael ei pebl dasiam. A ti'n gofyn, o, beth yw hwnna? Mae'n mynd o tatan di hwnna. A dwi rhaid i gweld tatan efo blaen. A ffurf jelly, ti'n cymryd i gair hwnna, ti'n bita fo, mae'n eitha neis. Mae'n rhywbeth ti'n rhaid i gael o blaen.
You've done all that brainwash in my room and didn't follow through.
You're doing groundwork.
I've seen it.
I can't just sat there. Like, I'm a singer in the Western band.
Conglomerate round that.
Realise this is the broth.
Dave? Took me down a little bit.
So it's stuck in the pocket. Smoke in the pocket. It says, Doraemon. Chwarae cards? Oedd sy'n eitha monkeys. Dach chi'n mynd solo Hammond, sy'n chwarae gitar. Sy'n ddim chwarae piano, oedd yn holl fantasies. Hey, Clifford Rockets.
Yeah.
The long one.
It was long Clifford jacket, so he was down to the band. Fancy with that, boy.
Sneaking back. Dyn nhw'n rhad, dwi'n meddwl.
I was very enjoyed. May I ask you, I wish
He was very enjoyed.
I wish looking for today's show.
Wu-Tang Clan.
Mae'n rhaid bod rhaid pobl efo'r rhieni cyfeithio gyda'i wneud yna. Cymharad draw i Lloegr yn fan hyn, sy'n rhaid ni.
Mae hynny'n confused. Na, Cedar Pins, dwi'n cymryd.
Mae hogan totally nuts fel y swyddfa dwytha. Ben ei hun, eisiau mynd I Freshwater East. Sy'n hyn sy'n byw. Dwi'n bang hal nwylla. Dwi'n eisiau mynd yna. Dwi'n hwrs dod yn hand I fynd yna. So o'n i eisiau bod yn hotel yna, nes i byd yna, nes o'n hotel, da. Oedd i draw ar y tren, di aros yn 3 gyfnod. Di nôl i tynnu llwyth o luniau oil heating and fresh water east.
Na, ie, ond ma' hwnna... Be ti'n neud? Ie, mae'n wahanol, ynddo? Cos dwi jyst yn mynd...
Conscience.
Gitar a llais.
Ie, dwi'n fawr.
A os da chi... Sa'n ni'n medru disgwyl fo, mae'n hanner awr, da. Na, dyn ni ddim wneud interview cyw. Genna ni tan 6.
Mae'n well dysgu a meddwl amdano fe. Just rhoi o lawr o'r tap nawr, Griff, ti'n fo? Dwi'n eisiau gwneud yma hanner awr, like that.
Michael does, mae'n checio o'r tap nawr, ti'n siŵr. Ti'n gwybod Michael?
It's the can ni gyd yn gwybod. Ti'n newid. Fel leave your life.
Just car i lawr.
Ie? Just roed o lawr,
Ai, dwi'n stressed out o'n hynny.
Yn paid yn edrych, e? Stressed out, yn paid.
Na, wel...
Ben?
Dwi'n... No stress, gwrs.
Dar llawr, a hwbni an.
Ai.
Just keep it around. Yeah. You just got to tell me.
Give a shout.
When you are in an independent level, you've been playing like techno music, but
every time his biography of us says we used to be a techno band, and it's not strictly true. You know, we've always played acoustic guitars, so we've always been involved in songwriting, and it's good.
Yeah. Are you satisfied with your past album?
And the last album was potatoes, fish, meat, guacamole, puddings, custard, cake. We were all with that. We recorded it in a different studio, and all they have there is like hot noodles, and they give us fast food every day, like coffee. Next one will be more like more noodly. Yeah.
You're on in 10 minutes.
Okay, last question. Do you have any message to the Japanese fans?
Thanks for coming to the gigs. Love you guys for Japanese people. It's been really nice. Arigato.
Sleep deprivation is driving me insane. Medication for my sleep deprivation. I need medication from a sleep deprivation. Oh, I need medication from a sleep deprivation. I need medication from a sleep deprivation. A guacamole, this is sleep deprivation driving me insane. A guacamole, this is sleep deprivation driving me insane. A guacamole, this is sleep deprivation driving me insane. A guacamole, this is sleep deprivation driving me insane. A guacamole. Deprivation driving me insane. A guacamole. This is the sleep deprivation driving me insane. A guacamole. A guacamole.
Miles, gosh. Sir, I'm yn cael nid So, dwi'n ban. Na, nes.
Gadarin Moss yn swnio'n...
Beth yw'n Gadarin Moss?
Ond yna feedback ar y stage, ie?
Ti'n dal yn ôl fyna? Ni siwr wedi dod o fe mewn. Oedd e'n well, do? No.
Ti'n cymharu yn y llygyd?
Oedd y sŵn yma?
Oedd, sŵn yn brilliant, ie. Oedd y flange ar y diwedd, de. Oedd yn hilarious. Yn the weekend ac ar god. Oedd yn more over the top. Oedd lights yn bwysio bod on.
Did you buy it if you can? Yes. Yeah, Chi'n wallgo alternate.
Oh, sbia! Traffic cone single isn't it?
2 minutes.
Have you got baton about it?
Ni bat on y copar ma ta?
Aye. Gwe.
Na, konnichiwa desu, doitsu, ja? Iya ne, Miju Shida. Ja, dan kan wel wat weer uit de kant van de molen, hè?
となります。車両の整備が済むまでお待ちください。
Felly fi o'n Bangor am y tro ganta.
Dwi'n
70
dod o Bethesda.
O.
A mae Dafydd y Cian o Sir Fôn.
Fi'n hoffi siarad Cymraeg.
Da iawn. Chi'n mynd i...
Mae'n anodd i gadw siarad Cymraeg yn Japan.
Yn y glob y gwers am beth am i chi ddod i Fangor.
O, ia, Bangor.
Cant y deg.
Y tei, hefyd.
O, sori. Roedd Gwynfor Ifans.
O, ie.
Pentref, Bach. Wedyn am yr pobl. Wedyn recordio.
O, reit.
Felly mwy na... Wedi recordio mwy na 100 bobl.
Mae Cenion gwahanol.
Cenion wahanol.
O, ie. Mae Cymraeg yr gogledd fel bach o Lerpwl yn y fend.
Siarad ti ddeud, oedd?
Mae'n swnio fel sgaws yn y...
Ac yn Saesneg yn Lerpwl.
Ie.
Mae'n dweud laich. I like
Cymraeg.
it. Cymraeg. Cymraeg. Achos mae'n diddordeb mawr nawr rwan pethau Cymraeg.
Na merched yn y maes awyr efo banner mewn Japanese a Cymraeg deud croeso.
Croeso, o.
A gathon ni un yn gadael Tokyo efo hwyl fawr yn efo.
Ni allu...
Llofnod. Llofnod, ie.
Enw grwpiau.
Cardiffism.
Dwi'n rhoi dim bach o Cymru, Caerdydd slang i...
O, ni fel.
Saeses Cymru.
Rwynder. Diolch yn fawr.
Yw'r gath yn rhedeg i'r geir.
Siarad y Gymraeg, bob dydd, bob dydd.
Bob dydd.
is. What you've got in the car?
Yes! Classic.
wir Kithir, Berry und Kithir.
May one and in
Iedereen in deze pub gaat on and watch the TV.
First time I did it for the hell of it, stuck around the back of my tongue and then swallowed it. Second time, things are getting easier. Roll me down the swing, it's getting easier. Third time, lucky, make me feeling fuzzy. Oh my God, I'm getting nippy-dippy. 5, 6, 7, 8, I'm going up the hill before I get you. Girl, on my mind, every day and every night. And you'll never go away, 'cause I know that it's there for the rest of my life. On my mind, every day and every night. And you'll never go away, 'cause I know that it's there for the rest of my life. First time I did it for the hell of it, stuck right up and that was the end of it. Second time, things are getting easier. Hairs on the back of my neck, getting stickier. Third time I'm lucky, paradisely bloody. Knocked around melodies, past me the brandy. 6, 7, 9, you don't say slow as it's loose. Lost me the fighting. Yeah, on my mind, every day and every night. And you'll never go away, 'cause I know that it's there for the rest of my life. On my mind, every day and every night. And you'll never go away, As I know it's the Bible on my mind every day and every night.
No, yeah, it's just don't stab in those things. No, you can't organise it. You've got to be a confidence. You organise the mates. You don't organise this. Do with me.
Because this has been a very big year for Welsh music. There's been six big indie bands that have made it in the charts. And they've all come from Wales. The biggest of the lot came from right here in Cardiff. Who wants to see some hometown boys? Can we get a Mexican wave happening? From this side, and go! While I say super furry animals!
Hwyr, ti'n gwybod, yn rhywbeth eifo pethau yna, ti'n gwybod? Ond dwi'n cynnig bod yn ôl y daith yn Llydyn.
Five-year extension. Creation's got to have all their products manufactured by Sony, which means it's got to be made in Austria.
What does that mean?
Means that on a single, when the artwork needs to be sent off, it needs to be in 11 weeks prior.
So it won't be made in Wales, you know?
No. A tentative date for the first release will be the 28th of April. I mean, obviously, it depends on the recording and how that
Unless, the only other option with that is unless you record an actual single first.
Mae mewn recordio 2 gan gryf a 2 B-side. Yn ytrach na recordio album gyfa, ti'n gwybod?
Ie, ni fod i mynd mewn i recordio album, yn dyn ni?
Dwi'n meddwl dda cael single allan cael gyntaf y ffosib, ti'n gwybod? A jyst gadw'r momentum yn mynd.
Super furry animals or whatever, then 1, 2, 3, 4.
Right, he's giving us a demonstration.
Yeah, look, there's a riot going on. The revolution has begun. Step. The revolution has begun. Step.
That's what makes it better to sell it over in America too. Because you start to get pretty bored over there, and you guys are something new. Thank you.
But I don't want to sing about real I don't sing about my baby with me, and it's been done.
Yeah, and it gets boring. You see, that's what makes that's what makes you guys such a different band. It's like you have such different elements or things that you sing about. You know.
Don't you turn aside, your tired ears must hear me out, there's nowhere to hide. Sweet, 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 Catatonia, I should have told ya. Sweet, 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 Catatonia, I should have told ya.
Sting and shock and electrocute them.
What's that? Yeah, ask her. And then look out for Marnie. All right, man. I'll see you later on, yeah? Nice one, Howard.
I've been in my mother's and finding books at all these different places today, but I think I ought to go to London tonight. I can't really stop for nothing, I don't think, you know, I've got to get up there, you know, to... It could on Saturday, to Brixton, yeah, if you can get me in, can you get me in? No, we get you. Because there's a terrible problem coming in, I know, tonight. Yeah. You're right, you know.
You and me and the guy from the Spags hanging out with Howard Max. We're the three musketeers, yeah. Gather round with your peers, yeah. There's a need for the fear. Throw a penny into my blasting satellite dish.
What the boy with the hip hop?
Als je de wit zet.
Hoi, Bas.
Ik krijg er saai in de houden.
Wat toch? Ben je kan op?
Dus ben ik misschien aan de
Nou, dan fuck je neus.
Ie, gobeithio yn pas. Gobeithio yn pas. Diolch fawr. Da iawn. Sori, mae rhywun yn... Oi fi arian yn gwisgo fo. Dim siarad Saesneg is good. Yeah, but they pay me to wear this on the campaign trail, trying to become MP for Norwich. It looks as if it's going to be a walkover, actually.
The grŵpa di po...
Yeah, just make it sound Italian. Design. Just a bunch of East End villains. They're so handy, you know. Anyone else? Very good set, I thought.
It's quiet, yeah.
It's amazing, man.
The Celtic blood was pumping hot. Very
Oh,
hot.
it's amazing, you know. What's his number 22 already?
It'll go down. But it's great.
Well, it won't go anywhere, you don't think?
No, it's going to disappear.
Yeah, that's a pity, because I mean, it definitely had a long life.
It'd be great, you know. It's good that it's Christmas.
Oh, yeah, no, it goes down really well. But you're recording soon anyway, and you're going to be recording in January. Yeah.
Calimero che ti pica, scherzi di far. Calimero, oh 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 oh. 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 Calimero, essere su me un tanto. Calimero che ci pica, scherzi di far. Calimero, oh 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 oh. Calimero, oh 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 oh. Calimero, oh 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 oh. Calimero, oh 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 oh. Calimero, 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 dove scompass più? Calimero, Calimero, Calimero.